guys, it's almost the end of 2018. Can you believe it? But guess what? Today I'm gonna be dyeing these babies. Yes, I'm finally going to be dyeing my hair purple. I'm excited. Are you excited? Okay, so I'm in my kitchen. Yes, because the lighting is perfect here, like absolutely perfect. And yeah, anything else to say there? Okay guys, so y'all know that previously I tried to dye my hair purple and it was a disaster. As you can see, it came out pink. So I went and got my purple dye, did my research, and you know, a door never fails. So I went and got my purple dye, and yeah, I did a one strand test because I wasn't sure what the outcome would be, so I made sure to just do one strand of hair. I can always do without one strand of hair, right? But the thing is, you see this bright purple color on the glove? That's the color it probably would have had if I had just used like that color on the bleached hair, because right now this purple is over this pinkish color, so you know, it's like the rich color is faded because it's actually coated. So I was actually thinking of stripping my hair, try to get this color out, but I'm not sure I want to put my hair through all that process because I already feel like my hair is way damaged with this bleach. It was really blonde, as you can see in the previous video. So I really don't think I want to put any more chemical on my hair except the purple dye. So I think I'm just gonna live with whatever color I get from this. Somehow I feel like I should just leave my hair this color and wear this every time. So because previously I bleached and dyed my hair like less than a week ago, I'm gonna put some conditioner on the ends just to kind of protect my hair, just to mask it a bit, because you know, I don't want it to be damaged or anything. But I don't wanna put the conditioner in the dye because then it dilutes the color of the dye. So I'm gonna just put the conditioner on my hair and then put the dye on. Hopefully it doesn't dilute it that way. Now for the nice part. So I'm using the color 116 Purple Rage in Adore. The color I should have used initially. So yeah. Now I was gonna wet my hair before I dye it, but I think technically I put conditioner on it, so I guess it's wet. I don't know. But I'm just gonna go ahead and apply the dye.